You guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. The bullshit channel is here. So I am welcoming all my new subscribers. Just show you, we are people from the age of Aquarius. The age of Aquarius people need to be smart, need to be brilliant, need to be sharing, not archiving. Okay. So I'm one of them, okay? I have feelings that I am from the age of Aquarius, so I try to share with you the best of the best, okay? And if you are a hater, you know, if you are a fool, if you are an idiot, okay, still listen to me, you know, maybe you'll be getting smarter, right? Like all these people, you know, with the Zeta, you know. Oh man, I put the Zeta, you know, 1200 views, you know, only 26% like, you know, why? Because all idiots on this Zeta, right? I told them, you know, watch this video, guys, whatever going up on elevator, it will go down on a free fall, you know, just be careful. It's a dump and pump. No. Well, how much it was Zeta was? Like $2.3. Now it's going down. It's a market. It's you know, it's only dump and pump. Okay, what technology? What are you talking about? Like it's token which you can print to infinity, anywhere. Okay, I'm welcoming everyone on my channel. Okay, fool, idiots, you know, smart people stay. You know, idiots and fools will be filtering out. Okay, but anyway. You know, listen to some people from Age of Aquarius. Maybe you'll be smarter. Okay, today is a lesson, guy, but very, very cool lesson. I can share with you what are swing tradings, okay? And trust me, if you from the Age of Aquarius, you can learn a lot. This is experience from someone who lost thousands and thousands and who makes thousand and thousand. And trust me, what I am telling you today, the swing trading, okay, where you can go from the minimum gains, like 1 BTC to 125 BTC, average game from 1 BTC to 2.25 BTC, to exotic games, you know, when you can make from 1 BTC 5-6 BTC, and it's all more than real, okay? It's all more than real, okay? So listen to people from Age of Aquarius. Maybe, you know, you will be profitable, you know, in the end of the day. So I am welcoming all people from crypto space, okay? But again, I am welcoming only smart people, okay? Because idiots and fools will be filtering out anywhere, right? You know, I like how they make comments, you know. Like, oh, people, you need to understand that, like, you know, to show that you're an idiot on any other channel, it's the last thing you need to do in your life, okay? So get you this lesson, learn and move on. Yeah, so on my channel, I'm talking about many things, you know. I'm talking about tangible assets like gold, silver, copper, platinum, you know. I'm doing unboxing, and I'm talking about crypto also, you know, because if you look crypto, 1000 view, 400 view, 500 view, and you know, the silver it's getting much less attention. The silver I will getting about 200 views, okay? So yeah, people want to see in digital assets, you know. I am welcoming, and on the way I am teaching you about digital assets. You can also, you know, get something from tangible assets, silver and gold and platinum, okay? So be tuned. Okay, so let me start from this. Let me start from first of all, how you can do this swing trading. Okay, let's say you're a smart guy, you bought some, I don't know, I'm talking examples. Okay, let's use example 1 BTC. Okay, it doesn't matter which price you bought it, 1 BTC. So let's say you have 1 BTC, you know, just to be, you know, on average. Okay, I know it's too much, but I don't want to put 0001 BTC here. You can buy, you know, Satoshi, who cares? So let's say you buy 1 BTC in your cold wallet. What kind of games you can make with this 1 BTC? You know, I'll give you different, you know, games you can do, and you can do it safe. Means you don't even need to move your Bitcoin from your cold wallet. Okay, this is what I will tell you. It's very rare. Okay. But I think it's just as a more interesting between all other games you can do. So you don't need to move to exchange. You don't need to do this. So first of all, how you can do it? So I will give you example on Trezor. So today on any cold wallet, Trezor or Ledger Nano, you can do exchange. You see, I just show you. Go and learn it. I just do what I show you. So this is this is your Trezor. And on your Trezor, there is a tab exchange. You see, you go to this tab exchange, you pick up what you want to sell, means trade, right? You pick up, on you want to sell. You see, you do exchange Bitcoin on Litecoin. So this is a swing trade, what I'm talking about. So you want to exchange, let's say, Bitcoin on Litecoin. So you put how many, you choose your fees, the minimum fees, and voila, you can do this trade directly on your cold wallet. It's very cool. You pick up, what kind of exchange you want. For example, Changery or Fox Exchange. I personally tried Changery a couple of times and it's working, it's safety. The only thing, you pay a little bit more, okay? So like if you take your money and move to exchange and then you do trade and then you move it back, probably you will make more gains, okay? But guys, it's really not relevant. With the numbers I'm talking about, when you have 125 gain, or you have 2 times gain, or you have 5-6 times gain, these fees are not relevant. I think that to be, security and, less movement with your crypto is much more relevant here, okay? So I think it's a very, very interesting way to do swing trades, okay? And you just, you execute the trade. You see, you pick up the exchange, you execute the trade, and coins to exchange. Okay, so this is very interesting paragraph. You can read it. Okay, so the Coral Pribura. You see, we are chatting, and he gave me idea what I want to make today, the explanation. So he said, your video on price Bitcoin very clever. I have held LTC for many years and traded it for Zcash just before BTC bull run, which took LTC winning. But I just started to believe in ZEC more than in LTC. I regret it now because I could have bought ZEC on that profit. Yes, and you see, I give him answer. Then I play LTC ZEC game at some point, because at some point the ZEC LTC were equal, $90, but then ZEC fell on $60 and Litecoin, increased on $150 today. So you see, we have these swings, right? We have this wells, and if you know how to use this game, you can make a normal profit, So you can trade LTC on a peak on ZEC and make 3x profit, but it's a rare game. Most play BTC USD game, less play altcoin BTC game like Litecoin Bitcoin, and very rare to play altcoin game. Okay, so all these three I will explain today, and take a look. Okay, so swing trading. What is swing trading? Okay, what is the swing trading? Let me run it here. Swing trading. Okay. So yeah. So swing trading. No. This one. What is this? Swing trading. Swing trading. Okay. So swing trading. Swing trading is a style of trading that attempts to capture short or medium-term gains in a stock, like we talk about crypto, or a period of few days or several weeks. I say even months, okay? Even months. You don't need really to be traders, but you can do very smart swing trades, for like couple of months, okay? So this is what they call swing trading, okay? So now I'm coming to my topic. Swing trading, okay? So let's say, let's start from minimum gains. So minimum gains, let's say most people are doing BTC USD, okay? And here you have dates, and here you have your numbers. So let's say, again, it's only example for you. Let's say on the 1st of January, you bought one BTC $30,000. Again, all example, don't catch me on numbers. In 1 month, the one BTC become $50,000, okay? So what people can, you have two options here. You have many options, but I say basically, you just buy and forget. This is the best to do. But we talk about swing trading. If you feel that your BTC is overpriced, what kind of swing trading you can do? You can save your BTC in, let's say, USDC. Okay? And I believe this you can do on this, from directly from your hard wallet. You don't even move to exchange. Okay? So you save it in USDC. So you have 50,000 USDC coins or dollars. Then, in the next month, one BTC fell or $40,000. So what you do? You trade back your USDC to BTC. So you have $50,000. So $50,000, $50,000 divide on $40,000, you make 125 BTC. Okay, simple. This is simple as it can be. Okay, of course, don't follow me on this. Okay, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you the possibilities. Okay, how people are doing swing trades, and I'm showing you. But again, don't do this on a daily basis. Don't go and trade it. Okay, no. You didn't get what I'm talking about. I'm talking about very rare trades, which you can do where you feel that your assets is overpaid, overbought. So if your asset is overbought, then you can save this asset in some intermediate currency, like let's say USDC. And when your asset will come back to normal, then you can come back to your asset and have more profit. Okay, so this is the way I show you how you can make from 1 BTC, let's say 125 BTC. Okay, it's all theoretical, guys. Okay, follow listen to all, follow none. It's theoretically how people are doing swing trading. Okay, best don't do anything, but if you're interested to extend, then I suggest you, as a minimum, you do swing trading. Don't do daily trades. You will lose money. Swing trading. Second one, okay, average games. When you can trade Litecoin for Bitcoin, which is all Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin, which I always say like BTC alts. Okay. So some people trade this game BTC alts, which is also very interesting, okay? And it's more profitable than just, Bitcoin and fiat. So example, again, on 1st of January, you bought $30,000 $30,000 one BTC. Or on 1st of January, you can buy Litecoin, okay? Let's see where we have Litecoin today, okay? This is Litecoin, okay? So you see Litecoin today, here is a long term. This is more, usually I see a long term, it's the daily. So you see long term, it has some kind of descending triangle. But now it start kind of recover, okay? So with the possibilities, we can say when it will recover, and this is tunnel, it's tunnel is going on. So it probably will reach somewhere, you see it was 003 to BTC, or 002 to BTC. Sometimes it was 003. Then, next bull run, it was 002, 0018. Probably in next bull run, again, probably just on TA, it will come to somewhere to 001 or 008. Okay, somewhere here, 008, 001. This is what I'm talking about, how you can make gains. So at the same time, you can buy Litecoin. Let's say $30,000 will give you 0.05 average, 0.005 average. You can buy the same amount which you can spend on one Bitcoin. You can buy 200 Litecoins. Okay, so $30,000 can buy you 200 Litecoins or one Bitcoin with average range 0.005. Okay, 0.05. It's a ratio. Okay, this is a ratio, Bitcoin Litecoin ratio. Okay, so 200 Litecoin, one Bitcoin. So you decided to pick up Litecoin. Why? Because you think Litecoin has more option to grow. Bitcoin will grow, Litecoin will grow, but it has more boost because it's so undervalued, right? So because it's so undervalued and the ratio is 0.05, I think the ratio will go up. Okay, let's say you're right and the ratio go up. Okay, let's say in 2 months you did nothing. Then in 2 months you see ratio indeed 0.007. Okay, so you are somewhere here. You know, ratio start to grow up. So 0.007, oh, cool. I could buy 1 Bitcoin, but I didn't buy 1 Bitcoin. I bought 200 Litecoin because it was underpriced. So now I can exchange it on 0.07. Again, you go to this, you go to this exchange. You go to swing trading and you just trade from your cold wallet. Okay, and you are getting 1.4 BTC. Wow. That's cool, guys. You know, to make almost half Bitcoin, it's very cool, okay? Again, it's your luck, it's your brain, it's a silver game of throne, you know, sharing this knowledge in Age of Aquarius. A lot of things together, okay? But let's say you're smart and you trade it, and indeed, you know, all stars are on you, and all stars are giving you this opportunity, and you're really someone in the middle, 0.007. Excellent. So you traded back 200 Litecoin on with a rate 0.007, you make 1.4 Bitcoin. That's not all. Then you wait, and then again Litecoin fell because, you know, what is going up is going down. So you came back to, you know, to this tunnel, and you see it went up and then again it went down. Okay, so it went up somewhere 0.07 and we went down to 0.05, kind of retracement, right? It kind of retracement. It's always coming back, okay? Always coming back. And you, oh, now you can buy more Litecoin with your 1.5 Bitcoin. So you trade back on 0.05, and now when you trade back, you got 280 Litecoins. Wow. Your Litecoins are grow, okay? This is a dangerous game, by the way, because it may go up, and then it was a final, right? And then it will go down, 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 down. But if you believe in yourself, and if you believe in Litecoin, and if you believe it will hit this target, you probably will be good. No one knows. Okay. So you have 280 Litecoins, and you want to continue this game. And when you continue this game, you know, for your star, you know, your star is very, very positive. Your star is brilliant, you know. In 1-2 months, Litecoin finally reached maybe $300, maybe $500 Litecoin, you know, in the middle of year. Who knows? I believe we will be there with Litecoin because last all-time high was $300-something. This time, I believe Litecoin all-time high will go to 1,000. So let's say it came to $500 and Litecoin Bitcoin ratio, it increased to 0.008, not 0.01, maybe even 0.01, but 0.08. Okay, I'm very conservative. You see, I'm just hitting the all-time high, hitting, and boom, it hit here, 0.08 somewhere. You see 0.08, it hit it, and you are happy because you already have 280 Litecoins. And you trade it back to Bitcoin, and boom, you got 224 Bitcoin, okay? So if your all starts on your side, you know, and you, listen to people from Age of Aquarius, but you are not doing exactly as I said. You just listen and somehow you think how you can implement this strategy, okay, and this strategy work for you. Then, yeah, you know, the Silver Game of Throne is a smart guy, and he has always, you know, donation. You can donate him, and, you know, he accepts Zcash, Litecoin, Bitcoin, you know. Like, you make 224 BTC, okay, share 0.001 with you know, 0.0001 with Silver Game of Throne. He will be more than happy, okay, because, you know, he helped you and you help him, okay. Anywhere, if all stars on our side, it can be. It cannot be. It may be back to 1 Bitcoin back, and maybe less. Okay, because this is a games, guys. You have, you know, you make more profit, but you also, you know, it can go in another side. Okay, so it's a game. It's all this, you know, how we can say, the strategy can go up, it can go down. Okay, so you need to have your own judgment, how it's good for you, how it's bad for you. And then I'm coming to exotic games. Okay, this is what I was chatting with this friend. Okay, this is exotic games. Okay, because this is what he is telling me. This is exotic games, and really it's very rare. Okay, but I will share it with you, and you decide if you want to go this road or not. The chances to win is 5-1, for example, but chances to lose is also 5-1. You understand? So it's chances are 50-50. You just make more games here, and you can lose more. Okay. So let's say you decided to play altcoin game. Okay. So here it's a Bitcoin USD game, here it's Bitcoin altcoin game, and here altcoin game, which is very rare, by the way. Again, it's very rare. So let's say on this time, let's say again this number 01/01/2020. I remember time when Litecoin was the same price as Zcash, because Zcash has a halving and it went to $90, and Litecoin was also $90, and they like 1 week they run it parallel, $90, $60, like a twins. I remember this time. So in this time when they run it parallel, you say, you know what? I have choice to buy $30,000 divided on 90 will be 333 Litecoin, or I have choice to buy 333 Zcash. Interesting. What I should buy? And some people buy Zcash because Litecoin is 64 million, right? And Zcash is only 10 million, right? 10 million. So you see, like 6 times less, but you buy the same price. And some people believe that it will have more profit. But you know, this market is always in opposite what you think. This market is running by other vectors. Okay, so Litecoin went up and Zcash went down. So let's say you decided to buy. Litecoin. Okay, you're smart. Then, or 3 months later, let's say in a March, okay, Zcash, Litecoin costs $270. So Litecoin price, $270. So you own 333 Litecoin, and what you do, you exchange 333 Litecoin on Zcash, and Zcash price still $90, and Litecoin price $270. It looks like with this direction what we have today, it's going like this. So it's a peak. Litecoin may have a peak, local peak, and Zcash has a local downtrend, $90. Wow. 3-1. Okay, I'm moving my funds into Zcash, and you go to 1,000 Zcash. You see, before you can get 333 boss. Now, because you did the right move, you can buy 1,000 Zcash. Excellent. You think, okay, let me play this game. Again, don't catch me, don't follow. Okay, have your own brain. I just give you example. And Zcash at this time costs only $90, going to $170. Then we all believe, that what we think is true, or in opposite, it never happened. But so let's say in 3 months, indeed, Zcash went up to Litecoin price, $270. And if you see my video about Zcash, I think it will happen somewhere in the middle of next year. Zcash will finally cross $250, okay, because it has a cap and holder. Wow, 3 times more. So now you own 1,000 Zcash, and if you trade it, theoretically, on $270, you have 270,000, where your initial investment was 30,000 only. You see it? You have double twin, kind of double. You exchange your money twice. You exchange your money 3 times here, and then you exchange your money 3 times here. So you make 6x profit or even more. 20, 70 on 30 will be like 9 times profit, right? 9 times profit. Wow. So you really make $270,000. Now you think, okay, what I can do with this $270,000? And let's say at this time Bitcoin will be $50,000. Or you say I will put everything in Bitcoin back, because in the end of the day you want to save money or in fiat or in Bitcoin. Okay, altcoins, can go up and can go down. So you went ahead and you put 270,000 into Bitcoin. So you came up with 5.4 Bitcoins. Okay, so you see these exotic games, guys. What are pros? The pros, you can do it very rare. Means you don't need to trade every day. You just have some assets, and if you feel your assets, if I move this asset, let's say Bitcoin to Litecoin to Zcash, or Zcash to Litecoin, okay, it gives me more value, okay, based on your analysis, okay. You're not doing this because silverGameOfThrone will tell you. You're doing this based on, oh, he told about this. It's interesting. Now I see, I think, I make decision that it will help me going down the road. And I'm making the decision, and I'm making all, pros and cons, it may go up, may go down. So, you decided to do this, and you basically play this game between Litecoin and Zcash, between Zcash, Litecoin back, and at the end of the day, you move it back to Bitcoin, and you make a normal profit. But these games are really, really rare games. And I'm telling you, if you are not experienced in trading at all, you don't do this, guys, okay? It is just for your education, okay? For your personal education about crypto. And as I said, most people do this game. I suggest you guys from time to time do this thing. It's better have less than sorry, okay? Less than sorry, because you do this game, your risk is minimal, okay? And your profit is minimal also, but your risk is not like this risk, okay? When you can lose everything. If you feel yourself a little bit of trader and you can do swing trade more, then you can do Bitcoin Litecoin trade, okay? So this is what I do from time to time, okay? From time to time I'm doing this trade, okay? I never did this trade because it's not for my test, but sometimes I believe that Litecoin will have his peak, okay? And I think Litecoin is coming to this 0.08, okay, if you take all-time high, it's bumping. I still think it will come around 0.01, okay. Maybe it can come, but risk reward analysis telling me, risk-reward analysis telling me that, the risk that it go to 0.08, 0.01 is minimal, okay. And I can put some money into Litecoin, but again, it's 20%, don't put, I say keep your money in fiat, 80%, or in Bitcoin, and play with alts very small, 5, 10, 20% of overall your budget, okay? And then maybe when it go out gap, you can exchange it back to Bitcoin, okay? So this is the most interesting game, because if it really will work out, then you can make double profit, okay? So you don't need, you maybe invest $3,000 and make it look like a $5,000, when in reality, because the Bitcoin grow up, it will be $50,000, okay? So you got what I'm talking about. And then if you feel really strong and you want to take risk reward to the maximum, you can play alt games, but it's very rare and not common when it will go down with the same speed, So be careful here, okay? So again, silverGameOfThrone was sharing with you swing tradings, and please put your comments, and don't forget about donations, guys. Really, if I will be happy with any donations, to increase my crypto stock, which I don't have many. I mostly keep in gold and silver, not in crypto, but I know how it play. And it can be good profit for someone who has funds and who are willing to play this game. Okay, so again, guys, thank you very much for joining my channel. And if you didn't subscribe, you please subscribe and put your comments. And hey, people from the Age of Aquarius, I am happy to see you on my channel, and all the best. Happy holidays. Bye bye, guys.